Hi friends, this is your ANR sir, welcoming you to ANR Academy. Today in our lesson, we learn how to draft an informal invitation for a number of invitees. So this is your question. Your school is organizing the Teachers' Day celebrations in the prestigious auditorium of Glorious India. Draft an invitation not more than 50 words giving all essential details. So, whenever a question is given, we should read 2 times. So your question is this. Your school is organizing the Teachers' Day celebration. What is the occasion? The occasion is Teachers' Day celebration. Who is organizing? Your school. Where? At the prestigious auditorium of Glorious India. Maybe in your town you have a prestigious auditorium and name of the auditorium is Glorious India. That is the venue. So Teachers' Day means date understood 5th September. So now you need to draft with this information. So wherever you do not find proper information, you should add that. Name of the school is not given. So you can add the name of your school or any ABCD school. Clear? So, because it is meant for a number of invitees, so we go for card model. So, like this, your invitation card should begin. The principal, staff and students of Vidya Mandir Public School, Noida. Clear? You see, it is written in a box and they are splitted. The lines are not in a running fashion, splitted. Each and every line is in the center of that box. Clear? So you can use 2 or 3 colored inks you can use. So the principal, staff and students of Vidya Mandir Public School, Noida, request your presence on the occasion of. You see, your invitation should start like this. Request your presence on the occasion of what? What is the reason for this celebration? Teachers' Day celebrations. Teachers' Day celebrations. So the date you should give on Saturday 5th September 2020. Saturday 5th September 2020. And time you need to give at 3 p.m. That means your program starts at 3 p.m. Where? You have to write the name of the venue also in the auditorium of Glorious India. And address you need to give B33 Sector 33 Noida. Clear? Address of the auditorium very clearly you should mention. So what is the address? B33 Sector 33 Noida. What is the name of the auditorium? Glorious India. Clear? Next. Any special program if you arranged for that, you should mention. So here we have this program. What? Mono action, skits, group songs, group dances performed by our teachers is a special attraction of the day. You see, daily we see our teachers teaching us. Daily we see our teachers teaching us. But that day, on which day? On 5th September, we watch our teachers performing various activities like mono action, skit, group songs, group dances. This would be a special attraction because you can see the different shades of your teacher on that particular day only. Clear? So at the end, you have to mention RSVP. What is the meaning of this abbreviation? You have to intimate whether you would grace your presence or not. Principal. Clear? So this is your informal invitation. For the question, what is the question? Your school is organizing the Teachers' Day celebrations in the prestigious auditorium of Glorious India. Draft an invitation, not more than 50 words, giving all the essential details. So again I am telling, first you have to write the principal, staff and students of name of the school. Request your presence on the occasion of, what is the occasion of that celebrations? Teachers' Day celebrations. When you wrote, what time you wrote, where you wrote, and if any special program is there that you need to mention, you mentioned. Next, RSVP and principal. Clear? So this is how you need to draft an informal invitation. So I think you understood how to write. If you like my teaching, subscribe to my channel General English all for competitive examinations, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day.